Good day, everyone. My name is Reher Adrian, first year student under the program of Bachelor of Science in Information Technology. This time we are going to demonstrate how to use OR gate on the breadboard. As you can see, we have here, excuse me, the breadboard itself, the jumper wires, the 9-volt battery, as well as the snap in the LED. So first, we need to attach the IC first on the breadboard and make it sure that the IC is well attached, like this. Like that. And we need to determine where is the positive and the negative in order for us to flow the power of the battery. So as you can see here, this will be the first pin, and next is the second pin, and third, and so on until the seventh pin is the GND, or the ground. So this is the negative. And the upper case of that, we'll see here another pin. This is the 8th pin, and so on backward until the 14th pin. This is the VCC, which is our positive. And by the way, this pin will be used as our input A, and the next pin will be the input B, and this will be the output. So now let's assign a jumper wire to connect to our positive. So this will be the positive line, and connect it here, and another wire for the negative here to the ground, and here the negative line, like that. Second is we need to put another wire for our input A. So this is our input A, the first pin, and then connect it to the negative, and another wire for our input B, and again connect it to the negative. And then we need to assign another wire for our output. So connect it here, and then attach this to another set of breadboard. I mean, set next set of the block, which is here, and connect another wire in order to flow a negative charge to our LED. Connect it here and here. After all those wires are attached, we are going to connect our LED. This one, as you can see in the LED, this one is the positive, the longer one, and the shorter one will be the negative. So since this yellow wire serves as the negative, we need to put this small one to the negative. Just make it align to the negative. After putting the wires and the LED, we are now going to use the battery for the source in order to light up the LED. As you can see, our LED get light up. So that's it. So this will be the input 1, serve as the A or the 1. This will be the input 2, serves as B. The 1 also the output of the both A and B. And that's it. Thank you for watching.